So, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Arnav Srivastav. Let's start. Approx 2 years ago, Max Park set a Rubik's Cube world record of 3.13 seconds. Everyone says it's unbreakable to beat it. But the only who can break this record is Yiheng Wang. On this day, 16 of Feb 2025, Yiheng set a world record of 3.08 seconds. His practice and dedication was incredible. So here is the scramble on the top of the screen where you can scramble it. Make sure you can scramble it on white on top, green on front. So this is the scramble. Sorry. He starts with white cross, where crosses are here, 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 and here. He starts with U prime, D prime, where he can set up this space and this space, also this space, and L R prime, and then he didn't just insert this piece whether he can do U D and insert this piece and U D again, where the first pair was free, and he also set up this piece like this, but he didn't do that, where he can set up this piece and insert in back, where he can third piece was free pair, so he can insert it, and U2 R prime U R, and last pair was insert in the back. So that's a OLL escape. So there's a lots of rare case where Rubik's Cube has a OLL escape. In fact, I was OLL escape in my full 200 days above career. Only OLL escape 4 to 5 times. So lastly, UB perm. So bye, and write in comments where you think who was able to break the world record average of 4.05 seconds. So bye, subscribe for more.